earthquakes are
Dangerous.
terrifying,
Loud. Shaky.
Catastrophic.
scary.
Death.
What an earthquake actually is.
Earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves.
What creates the shaking in an earthquake, Brooke?
Hey, Faith. Tectonic plates bumping and sliding against each other along fault lines cause an earthquake to shake.
The magnitude of most earthquakes is measured on the Richter scale, invented by Charles F. Richter in 1934. The Richter magnitude is calculated from the amplitude of the largest seismic wave recorded for the earthquake, no matter what type of wave was the strongest.
The magnitudes are based on a logarithmic scale. What that means is that for each whole number you go up on the Richter scale, the amplitude of the ground motion recorded by a seismograph goes up 10 times.
The scale does not have an upper limit, but the strongest earthquake ever recorded was 9.5 on the Richter scale. Wow! In Valdivia in 1960.
What to do in the event of an earthquake?
Find a steady or secure object like a desk or a table. No. Then you have to drop, cover, and hold.
What to do when you are outside during an earthquake?
Stay away from all telephone posts. Do not try and go into any buildings. They will collapse.
I'm not afraid of an earthquake.
An earthquake.
Everybody,
Everybody,
come take my hand.
come take my hand.
We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm.
Just let you know that
You're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the
I-
same road. You can try to be ready for an earthquake before it happens, but you can't take the sting or the pain of what comes after.
Cause ain't no way I'ma let you stop me from causing man. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it.
I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me.
So shake the world, move the plates. It's cracked up if you think